What's up, people? It's December here, back with another edition of how-to videos, Tesla Model Y 2023. Anyways, if you're wondering, but got these in the mail today. This is the Titan Pro 4-ton flat top jack stands. You'll notice Teslas are a pain. And even those jack stand pucks, honestly, I don't like the way they work because they're rubber and they tend to fold. I should probably take a video. I tried this last time with those pucks. I was like, yeah, no. I'd rather just use these and use a jack. Jack it up. I'm gonna stick that jack on the other side, and you can change all 4 tires at once because in the rotations, these tires are multi-directional. These are not unidirectional. These are both 255, 40, 20 on this edition anyways. If you have the other ones, you just have to go front to back, back to front. These are a full swap, like back, I think back right goes there, and kind of flip-flop, but anyways, these weren't cheap, about $100 on Amazon for 2 of them. You don't really need more than that. I got a second jack. That one I actually got at Costco. It was on sale. Had another one I was fixing on Amazon, but didn't really work out. This one was actually cheaper. It's a 3-ton. This one's only a 2-ton, FYI, so don't use this if you're going to work on your car. It's just for more like changing things when you're beside your car. Note there. So the other one's a 3-ton. That one is it's my old car. It's not as heavy as this one. So funny enough, I probably will get rid of this at some point because the giant SUV that parks in the other bay here, and this yeah, I wouldn't really raise it up. I wouldn't trust it. So but yeah, I'm gonna get to work. Yeah, just give you guys a close-up look of this jack. And it's pretty neat. It's not like the usual, like you crank it up with those little things. It's pretty solid. I mean, you have this big pin, kind of take in and out, and then slide it through. It's up and down, as is needed, right? This thing's a beast. I mean, you could probably, you know, I mean, 4 tons is, I mean, it's overkill, but you know what? There's not many good flat top jacks. And this thing, you don't have to worry about a puck. You don't know these extra accessories, which have those other jack stands. They suck. Honestly, I wouldn't bother or even, you know, try. Because if somehow you screw up your batteries, Tesla's gonna know, like, what did you do under your car? Clearly, it doesn't just happen. They have random damage in one exact spot where a jack should go. So, anyways, let's get to business, see how this works. And I'm gonna do all 4 sides. I have my other jack over there. I'm gonna do this side. I'll fast forward through it all. If you're curious, Titan Pro, instruction manual. I'm gonna jack up this side all the way, jack up that side, and start loosening up, and I'll pretty much just go one by one, get this thing going. Let me wear my headlamp. You can see what's going on underneath my car, so. Alright, check this out. Looking good under there. Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Those pucks. Seriously, I probably should have positioned this a little bit further back, but holding on well. The other jack. Little preview. This one holding up brand new. Oh, look at that baby. Oh, look at that, sitting real pretty. This one I did correctly, but anyways, you kind of get my drift. Yeah, it's great. Get to work now. These wonderful 4-ton jacks. This car's high up in the air, but that's what I had to do. Get all 4 up at once. My own little home lift. And away we go. All right, my first plan, it's not gonna work. It's 11 o'clock at night. And yeah, I've got this now. See how this works. My most powerful impact gun that's not gonna be super noisy. I hope I can at least break the bolts free. Then I can just kind of thread them back up and tie, as long as the wheel's on the ground, just deal with this thing spinning everywhere. So, see how this works. It's not good. Try number 3. Hey, look at that, huh? This little DeWalt's pretty sweet. Let's do it. 2. 3. Very nice. Let me just move. Look at that. It's all done. So, love that tool. Won't need to use my air gun at all. It's pretty sweet. Just inspecting my tires. So yeah, gonna run this sucker over to the back. Do the same over there, and I'll come back in a minute. Then mount the other tire, and then you guys can do the rest with the crisscross. See what I'm doing here? Awesome.
Alright, so for the last part of this video, you want to go ahead and not only test your air pressure, make sure at 42 psi for all your 4 tires all the way around, but you also want to make sure you check your tread depth. Now 3/16 is the kind of lowest allowable limit. Wouldn't recommend going anything lower than that for snowy, wet roads whatsoever. So yeah, go ahead and then finish this. Get your tires mounted. As you see, I took the right front tire, swapped it with the left rear. You're going to want to go ahead and repeat the same process, kind of that crisscross. Take the left front tire and swap it with the right rear. And you have all your jacks set up, your jack stands. Pretty easy. Just change them, and then when you're done, you can go ahead and kind of let some of the air out of each of the jacks. Take the jack stands down, and then slowly let the air out of the jacks, and be on your way. Thanks for watching. How-to videos. Signing out.